Hey, what's up? My name is Jacques Fourie. This is my 2020 bike check. I've been needing to do this for a while, but bike's still looking fresh. Been riding it now for, I would say, about 6 weeks, and it feels amazing. Yeah, so let's start off. We're at my setup, my backyard setup, the compound bike park. Fortunate enough that my other companies are making decent cash that I can give back to the industry. I've had a setup for like 12 years, but this is out of hand. This isn't just a backyard setup anymore. So I was fortunate enough at the age of 39, I got picked up by Wethepeople and Eclat. I've always been a super massive fan of both brands. I actually rode a Wethepeople, the last frame I rode before I was on my previous sponsor for 15 years. I rode a Wethepeople, that's how much I like the bikes. So I went with a bit of an old school design in the frame. It's a 21-inch revolver, but instead of the standard where everybody is riding the 75 plus head angles now, this has got a 74.85. Little short stem, the Domain 48, nice and neat. Bars are 9-inch Eclat bars. Then I've got the Eclat cranks on it, 165s with the 25 tooth sprocket, aluminium Eclat pedals. I like plastics. I think they value for money, but being a bit of an old school rider, I do quite a bit of pedal stuff, and I like steel to the bone. It just makes more sense to me than getting a bruise and then from a plastic pedal. So I'd much rather just, like I said, I'm old school, just make it bleed. And then I'm running the Eclat Mirage foldable tires. Been riding foldable tires for 12 years, 15 years plus. Yeah, I've been riding for 21 years non-stop. So foldable tires, they're amazing, they're really rare, 2.25s. I don't like the whole fat bulky thing the new Street View thing is going for. It's not my scene. And then wheels, I'm on the 440 rims with Wethepeople Arrow hubs, front and back, nice and neat and just looks perfect, and none of the unnecessary nonsense. And then on US titanium spokes. The only titanium spokes I will ever ride. I've tried the other stuff. I'm not heavy on wheels, but I can ride these spokes for like 3-4 years and they just work. Pretty old school build, that's all I can say, comparing to, I guess, where the new age is. I've tried everything, and this is by far suits my riding 100%. All right, well, that's it. That's my 2020 build. Amazing bike. Check it out on bmxdirect.net and check out the clips and let's go ride. Wee.